Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a little bit of a jewelry haul. I picked up these pieces over the last at least 3 months, but I just haven't unboxed them because I've been waiting to do a video and I never have time. So I didn't just go out and get all of these things like in one day or so, or week or anything. They're all very different, and I want to share them, and they're all a lot of fun. So I think I'm going to start with this one. So this is from Dillard's. I ordered this online, and it is a pair of Kendra Scott earrings in this beautiful neon yellow color. I love this color. It's one of my favorite colors. It's hard to wear a lot of it, but it's fun like for a little accessory. And so I got these earrings. This style is the Danielle, and you can see they are. And I'm going to put them on these little earring caddies that I have, so you can kind of get a better sense. I'll just maybe put one on here so you can see how that looks. Or you know what, I can put the other one on too, that's okay. Hang on, I'm gonna get that little rubber thing, that little guard in so I don't lose it. So I actually have a pair of these earrings in Tiger's Eye, and they're so pretty. I got them a long time ago in a hotel gift shop of all places, and I love them. And then when I saw that they had these in this color, I grabbed them. I do have a sweatshirt that's kind of like this color that I wore in a recent video, which I love as well. I know it's just really bright and everything, but it's just so fun. So there they are, the Danielle earrings in neon yellow. Then my next 2 items are from Miranda Frye. Show you. I love Miranda Frye because most of the jewelry is costume or fashion jewelry. I think she does have some fine jewelry as well, but most of it is costume, and it's affordable, and I like it because if I want something that's kind of trendy, I don't want to pay an enormous amount, it's great. So I can find it there. So I got these beautiful hoops. They are gold tone, they are twisted, which makes them just so extra special, and they are substantial and they are not small, and I really love that. Most of the hoops I have are much more delicate and not as thick and a little smaller, but I really love these. I actually have been eyeing some earrings from Cartier that are very expensive, and I thought, you know, in the meantime, I'm gonna get these because they serve the same purpose. They have the same general look, and at, you know, obviously a fraction of the price. So see if I wear these enough to justify buying a $7,000 pair of earrings. So now put these on this other earring caddy. If there's a hole in here, I think there is. Okay, there it is. And you can see, I mean, just look how beautiful they are from the side. Just so stunning, so substantial. I hope that hope this is clear in the camera. It looks a little fuzzy to me, but so they're so pretty. Let me get the other one. And what other thing is nice, the earring back is almost like, it's almost like something that you would see with like a bolt, like the other side of the bolt, you know, like there's like the thing that screws onto a bolt, kind of. Can you see it? It's kind of different. It's like an extra little detail that make these special. So here we go. There we go. So I love these. They're gonna be so pretty during the holidays. I can't wait to wear them. Okay, so 2 down, 2 to go. Okay. So the next piece I got was a ring from Miranda Frye. I know these earrings, let me tell you the name of these earrings. They are the Naomi hoops. And then this ring I got is, you see it's in the little Miranda Frye box. It comes nicely packaged. This ring is called the Kennedy ring. And it's really pretty. I like, it's got those like sort of open circles, and then in between are little bars of crystals. And it's just really pretty and nice to dress up an outfit or wear casual. Gosh, my hands need hand cream. Now you know why I bought so much hand cream. But anyway, I just thought it's really pretty. And I'm gonna leave that here. Just leave it there. Okay. And now the final piece that I got was actually for my birthday way back in July. It's kind of a late birthday present. And this is fine jewelry. It's from a store here in town called Bijou. This is the bag. And these are, wait, how do I open this? Ah, there we go. Okay. These are beautiful pair of earrings. They are a black semi-precious stone. The stone is called hyperstene, and I'm going to spell that for you. It's Hyperstene, hyperstene. Looks a little bit like onyx, but it's not onyx. And these are by Chan Luu, the designer Chan Luu. And they look like onyx, but they're actually kind of a little bit clear. So if I had a light to shine through them, you would see that they actually are not, they're not like, I guess it's like a dense looking stone. And I just think they're so pretty. I love this style, like this wire style. I thought they're elegant, but they're not too big. They can be used for every day or, you know, dressed up. And then there they are together. I'm not going to take them and put them on here because I only have 2 of these. But there they are. And they have just these little gold bead accents on the bottom. And so they're just so pretty. Also nice during the holidays for like a nice luncheon or even going to dinner. I just think they're so pretty and elegant. I don't have any other earrings quite that style. So, and I liked black because I feel like they'll go with more outfits that way. So there you have it. My Miranda Frye earrings and ring, my Kendra Scott earrings, and my Chan Luu earrings. So that was my jewelry haul. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time.